Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon here every single Friday. I'm Jenna Lieber with TurnKey Product Management, the Amazon experts. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Today I am going to be talking about the voice of the customer. Amazon has unveiled another dashboard that you can be checking out just to get insights just on what your customers are thinking. And honestly, it's going to help you a ton with the health just of your listings, your account in general, right? So this feature is going to be located underneath your performance tab within Seller Central. So essentially what this dashboard is meant to do is help you with your customer experience. So it's going to be looking at the health of your offers, what you're offering customers, the price, everything like that. There's going to be customer comments within there. It's going to identify just different product and listing issues you might be having. So if all the customers have the same complaint, you can kind of get an idea as to what like maybe you're struggling with in terms of producing on the listing, right? And then you're actually able to see like if a listing went down, and you're able to actually go ahead and resolve it right there within your dashboard, which is really great. So how is the dashboard going to break this down? It's actually really cool. So essentially what you'll do is you'll go in the dashboard and it's going to have this skinny little, I guess, graph or little table. And it's going to show your listings, the number of listings you have within each category. So it's going to say green. So it's like a darker green, just for the record, there's multiple greens. So dark green means that it's excellent. These are performing significantly better than similar offers that are out there on Amazon. So light green means good. So your offer is performing as well as or better than similar offers. So what I mean by similar offers is people that are selling products just like yours with a similar price point. So fair is yellow. So your offer is performing, very similar to other offers. Poor is orange. Your offer is performing worse than similar offers. And then red is your offer is performing significantly worse than similar offers. So this is really cool to be checking out, especially if you guys have issues with if a listing goes down often or something like that. If you're not using softwares to be tracking that, you can be looking in here just to see if you have listings going down, right? Or if you missed an email about a listing going down, this dashboard will show you. So what's really cool about this is you're going to be able to just kind of identify different issues, right? So for those of you that offer sizes on products, right? If you have common complaints going on that, your products are too small or things like that, you can work to see how can I identify the sizes better for my listing so that customers are able to pick their size just with more intelligence behind it, right? So that they can make a better purchasing decision and obviously not file a complaint with Amazon, right? Because obviously, as we all know, there are sometimes little silly things that customers will say to Amazon that will result in your listing going down, which is just never fun for anyone, right? So you're able to also kind of just see, is there any inaccurate information you have on your detail page that maybe you need to adjust? So again, what's really cool about this, one thing I really like about it is you can start to fix the issue directly within the dashboard, which is really, really cool. So basically what it's looking at is essentially the last 30 days. So that's what it's going to take into account. And it's looking at your total orders and it's basically seeing how many complaints did you get based off of the number that you got in orders. So if you got 40 orders and you've gotten 60 complaints from that orders, that doesn't look super hot to Amazon. So that's when you could be in a very poor situation, right? So that's what we're trying to avoid. But again, what's really great is Amazon will let you press see details. And when you go into see details, what's great is it's going to show you what that feedback is, what's wrong with it, right? So if all of the feedback is similar, I know as brand owners, it can be really easy to kind of brush these things off just because you all are so passionate about your products, which is obviously great. But if all of these complaints are similar, it is important to take them seriously, right? Because it really could be an issue that is within the product. So, sometimes it is a simple change, just like adjusting your listing. And sometimes it's a bigger change, like having to adjust your product. And there's nothing wrong with that because at the end of the day, it's addressing them head on and making sure that you are providing the best value and the best experience possible for your customers. So again, this is the voice, or sorry, it's not the, it's voice of the customer dashboard. It's going to be located in your performance tab. Super helpful. It's in beta right now, but our team is absolutely loving it. And obviously what you want to see is you want to see majority of your listings in the good or excellent category. That is super, super important. But kind of going off of just the voice of the customer dashboard, obviously incredibly exciting, but what's even more exciting is we're in Q4, right? This is go time for Amazon, which is so exciting, guys. So guess what we're gonna be talking about next week? We're going to be talking about Q4, what to expect, what's going on, when to send that inventory in. The answer's now. Send inventory in now. But we're gonna be talking about it a little bit more in depth next Wednesday. We're going to be giving you information just about sending inventory in, like I just said, send it in now. We're going to be talking about some new things Amazon's rolling out in terms of returns. And then we're going to be talking about just different strategies that we are going to be doing on Amazon for the holidays, which is coming so, so fast, as you can see by my orange sweater. Anyway, that has nothing to do with it, but that's okay. So anyway, guys, so excited to be talking to you guys about that next Friday. I will be here. And then another thing I actually just wanted to let you guys know about, as you guys know, here at TurnKey, we are super hyped on Amazon giveaways, just talking about how that has really been a big difference maker for our inner circle clients as well as our full service clients. But unfortunately, Amazon has retired that strategy, which is super sad. But at the end of the day, Amazon is giving you guys so many new opportunities, right? So like we've talked about in past Facebook Lives, right? There's so many different things out there that are just as awesome as the giveaway strategy, right? So one example that comes to mind right now is 7-day deals. We just had a client that ran it and their sales jumped by 20% during the week that they ran that 7-day deal. So 7-day deals, as a reminder, is located in your deals tab, and it gets you featured on the deals page for 7 days, which is awesome. And then another thing that is also available that also gets you on the deals page is Prime exclusive deals. So highly recommend looking into those. So obviously the giveaway strategy going away is quite the bummer, but we have backups here at TurnKey, which is super exciting. So don't get too down on the giveaway strategy going away, guys. There are tons of different things out there for you. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at TurnKey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.